Bella begins to walk from her house toward her friend Ella's house. At the same time, Ella begins to ride her bicycle toward Bella's house. They each move at a constant speed, and Ella rides 5 times as fast as Bella walks. The distance between their houses is 2 miles, which is 10,560 feet, and Bella covers 2.5 feet with each step. How many steps will Bella take by the time she meets Ella? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. The key idea is that Bella and Ella move toward each other, so their speeds add together. Say Bella walks at a speed of s. Then Ella rides at 5s. Since she is 5 times as fast together, they close the gap between the houses at s plus 5s, which is 6s. Because Bella's speed is s out of a combined 6s, Bella covers 1/6 of the total distance before they meet. 1/6 of 10,560 feet is 1,760 feet. That is how far Bella walks. Now turn that distance into steps. Each of Bella's steps is 2.5 feet. So the number of steps is 1,760 divided by 2.5, which is 704 steps. So Bella takes 704 steps. The answer is 704, choice A.